Hi everyone! Today I will going to talk about Mintaka. Mintaka has another name, which is known as Delta Orionis. Delta is a Greek symbol equals to the fourth letter of the 26 English alphabet D. The capital letter of Delta is a triangle. The lowercase letter of Delta is pretty similar to a sign of the constellation Taurus. Mintaka is come from Mantak, which means belt in Arabic. It's the westernmost star in the belt of Orion constellation. The others are Ornitok and Ornilum. At magnitude 2.21, Mintaka is the seventh brightest star in Orion constellation, and the faintest one of the three belt stars. Mintaka is closest bright star to the celestial equator, only a quarter of a degree to the south. The three belt stars were collectively known by many names in many cultures. Arabic terms include Onijag, the belt, Onithak, the line, Okad, the golden grains, and in modern Arabic, Omizan or Hak, the accurate scale beam. In Chinese methodology, they were also known as the Yin beam as well as Shen Xiu. The three stars mentioned, one of the 28 mentions of the Chinese constellation. In pre-Christian Scandinavia, the belt was known as Frigerog. Vietnamese skies, Kalevala. Kalevan swords are terms from Finnish methodology. In European cultures, the three stars from Orion constellation belts stands for the three king star from Orion constellation's belt. Alright, Mintaka is a multiple star system. The distance between Mintaka to the Earth is 1,239 light years. Mintaka components are a bluish white, primarily of magnitude 2.23, and a pale blue secondary of 7th magnitude about 52, away from main component. Between them is a vastly dimmer 14th magnitude component. The main component itself is also double, consisting of a Class B giant and stellar but hotter Class O main sequence star. These two stars are both about 70,000 times as luminosities as the Sun, with a mass of 20 solar masses, and orbit each other every 5.73 days. The stars eclipse each other slightly, keeping about 0.2 magnitude each orbit. In 1904, the German astronomer Johannes Hartmann discovered absorptions in Mintaka's spectrum that would not be produced by the orbiting pair. From this discovery, and others are followed, we now know that interstellar space contains an enormously complex medium of gas and dust. The interstellar medium is the birthplace of new stars, and also, in the case of Mintaka, their graveyard. Both of its components are so massive they can eventually explode as supernova. Alright guys, I have to tell you something that you don't know yet about Mintaka star. Well, Orion constellation, we really know a lot of fact about the hunter. We really know the equipment, the weapon of the hunter, the head of the hunter. that we talked on last video. Right now I'm talking about the belt of Orion constellation, the faintest one. Faint is the star is not that clear to see in the sky. But Mintaka is an unbelievable star, still larger than our sun and massiver than the sun. Actually, we talked a lot of stars from Orion constellation. They are actually all massive stars, we now know. But I have a few stars that I didn't talk yet, but right now we really know the massive stars from Orion constellations, and we also know the brighter star, we also know the largest star. Next video, I'm going to talk about another star from Orion constellation that's unbelievable as well. Alright guys, hope you like my YouTube channel and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye!